Hey, this is Steve from Sparky's Garage. Today we're on a little venture. We're gonna go pick up a 2009 Challenger RT. It was a Facebook Marketplace score. Downside to it, it has a little bit of engine damage due to a small fire. But yeah, I got it for a smoking deal, so I couldn't pass it up. It's Destroyer Gray, lowered 3 inches on Hellcat wheels with an SRT hood. Yeah, black leather interior, so really cool deal. So let's go pick it up. We got the trailer. This is what we're picking up. This is a 2009 Challenger RT. It's got Hellcat rims, Destroyer Gray. It's got some aftermarket ducktail spoiler. Now the window is stuck down right now because the battery's dead, but it's a pretty clean car. This is the cause of the problem. It had amps and a sub back there, and that's what happened. And then it looks like it's got a SRT hood on it, and then the bumper guess had a crack in it and they replaced the bumper. So let me see if I can get the hood popped open real quick. So here's the motor, air intake system, and there is the root of the problem. Good old stereo system. Melted the cowl, got a little bit of the hood. Basically just, I think it needs an engine harness and a lot of cleaning. So, all right, we're gonna get it loaded up. All right, Challenger's loaded up. Let's start heading home. All right, the Challenger is home, aka Old Smoky. That's what the name's gonna be for this one. First thing I'm gonna do is get rid of the stereo system out of this thing. This is the problem. I actually jumped ahead and already removed one of the amps, and I found the problem. So the ground wire touched the remote 12 wire and basically fried the wiring, which somehow went into the motor compartment, which I have no clue how that happened. So yeah, I guess it's time to get taking apart some of the wiring. All right, to get the stereo out, I'm actually gonna go ahead and remove the seat. And while I was here looking at the seat, I popped the glove box down and check out what I found behind the glove box. Look at this, just sitting here. I think I know what exactly this is. Yep, this is the original window sticker. Check that out. Look at it, it's never even been used. Yeah, original window sticker. 2009 Challenger RT. Look at the price of this bad boy. $36,315. 16 miles a gallon, 25 on the highway. There's the list of all the options it has. These are all the options. Woo-wee. Pretty neat find. Yeah, I pulled the glove box out to look at the firewall, evap. Everything looks perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this seat out because it's gonna make life way easier. So go ahead. I already got the fronts loose. Yep. All right, let's pull the seat out of here. All right. So actually there's one plug right here and then one plug right there. Now I can get in here, clean everything up, and then start getting these back area cleaned out. All right, I removed both amps, crawled into the trunk compartment since the car has no power. Had to hit the emergency release, and we can get those big old kickers out of there. Once I get that out, I can get into the battery, get that removed, and then just start getting all the stereo wire, keep following it, chasing it. Got the huge sub box out, got the bottom storage tray out, found out there is no spare tire, and here is rat's nest of speaker power wires. And check this thing out, it is all fried to hell. Look at that. And then here's the part that was to the battery. So this is what we're gonna all start gutting out of this car. All right, so I got the battery out, and now I'm turning this into a little bit of just cleaning the general area where the battery was. Got a protection mat so I don't scratch the bumper. And here is the mess I'm working with. So I took the battery tray out, and it was covered in mud like that. And I went ahead and wiped and cleaned all this out. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning out the battery tray area, put the battery tray back in, get that all cleaned up. Then I know this area is done. Put the carpet back down, I'll vacuum the trunk out so the trunk is all clean, and then I'll start working my way forward. All right, down below is all cleaned. I just kind of vacuumed it all out. I pulled the tray out, washed it all out, cleaned it, cleaned underneath. Kind of did an inspection, looked at the fuse panel, main power wire. The fuse panel is great. Going to the battery cable is fine. Main battery cable is okay. Here is the ground. This harness is perfect. This is the ground. This is all perfect. So everything back here looks great. So yeah, gonna start pulling this wire out and chase it to the front where the main issue is. At least this is all cleaned out. There was gum wrapper down there, there was lollipops, there was candy, mud, all kinds of crud. I mean, look at that garbage. That's nasty. This is what all came out of this thing. Gross. So the amps were mounted to the back of the seat, and I pulled all the wiring out in the back of it. Look at all this wiring. What a freaking disaster. So next I'm gonna go ahead and pull the rear seats out of this car. Here. Actually, I've never seen the back seats in this car. They are actually in really good condition. Really nice. So I believe you just pop this thing up somehow. All right, I am exhausted. It was about 90 degrees today with 70% humidity, so it was hot. Got a lot of work done on the car. So we got this ball of mess out. I think I showed you that already. Had to drop the rear package tray installation and pull all the janky speaker wire, and then assess the damage they did to the stock speaker wire. So I gotta figure out how to get that wired back up to the stock side. Interior side, not much is really going on. Got a lot of the RCA cables pulled out, and then got this pulled out. So I got basically everything from the back all the way up to about here. So I'll keep chasing it tomorrow, but right now I'm just gonna clean up my mess. I'll probably take this out and I'm gonna vacuum it and get it all cleaned up, kind of like I did with the rest of the stuff in the back. I'll put that package tray back up, put some black electrical tape around that so it doesn't cause any RF interference or any other weird stuff. It's just speaker wire, but Again, this is all cleaned up. Got this all vacuumed. Got that side all vacuumed. So we're making progress, so stay tuned, and we'll continue on Old Smoky.